While the tech world debates which AI model is fastest or which IDE plugin is slickest, the real bottleneck is hiding in plain sight. The engineers getting the most out of AI agents aren't the ones with the deepest knowledge of transformers. They're the ones who can write a crystal-clear product requirements document before a single line of code runs. Unlike a human developer who might ping you on Slack to ask what you meant by user profile update, an AI agent will simply pick the most plausible interpretation and barrel forward with total confidence. If your spec says build a login flow, the agent builds something, just not necessarily what you envisioned. Precision at the input stage is the only lever you have. When requirements contradict each other, a human engineer raises a flag in the next stand-up. An agent picks a side and ships. When edge cases are left unspecified, an agent doesn't wait. It fills the gap with something plausible but potentially catastrophic. The danger isn't that the agent fails loudly, it's that it succeeds quietly in the wrong direction. Writing rigorous specifications isn't some futuristic AI-era competency. It's what great engineers did before agile teams and stand-up culture made ambiguity survivable. We collectively got sloppy because human collaborators absorbed our vagueness, asked good questions, and made sensible judgment calls. AI agents strip away that safety net entirely, forcing a return to the discipline of truly complete documentation. A machine-legible PRD doesn't just describe the goal. It maps the exact happy path, every error state and its expected response, the precise shape of data entering and leaving each step, hard constraints that cannot be violated under any circumstance, and a definition of done that is testable rather than subjective. Think of it as a contract that leaves zero room for creative interpretation by a literal executor. The mental model that works best is imagining your spec being handed to a brilliant but completely context-free new developer on their very first day. They know how to code, they follow instructions literally, and they will not make assumptions beyond what is written. If that person could execute your document correctly from start to finish, your AI agent almost certainly can too. If they'd be confused, so will your agent. Most engineers who struggle with agentic coding fall into the same trap. They assume the model is broken, switch to a newer one, tweak the temperature, add more context to the system prompt. But if your results keep drifting from your intent, the problem almost certainly lives upstream in your requirements document. Switching models with a bad spec just produces wrong output faster and more expensively. The engineers extracting the most value from AI agents today aren't winning because of their model choices or their framework expertise. They're winning because they mastered an ancient and undervalued craft of writing unambiguous requirements. Invest time before the agent runs, not after. Define intent with surgical precision and watch your debugging time collapse while your output quality soars.